Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make delicious sushi at home. We'll start by preparing the foundation, perfect sushi rice. First, rinse 2 cups of sushi rice thoroughly until the water runs completely clear. Then cook the rice with 2.5 cups of water. Once cooked, gently fold in a seasoning mixture of rice vinegar, sugar, and salt to give it that authentic sushi flavor. This step is crucial for the overall taste of your rolls. Now that our rice is ready, let's prepare the nori and fillings. Place a sheet of nori with the shiny side facing down onto your bamboo rolling mat. Next, gently spread a thin, even layer of your seasoned sushi rice over about 2/3 of the nori sheet, leaving a small border at the top. Finally, arrange your favorite fillings, such as fresh salmon, avocado, or cucumber, in a neat line across the center of the rice. Be creative with your combinations. The rolling process is key to a well-formed sushi roll. Using your bamboo mat, carefully lift the bottom edge of the nori and rice and begin to roll it forward, tucking the ingredients in tightly. Apply gentle, even pressure as you continue to roll, ensuring a compact and firm log. Once you reach the top edge, moisten it with a little water to help seal the roll securely. Practice makes perfect, so don't worry if your first few aren't flawless. Our sushi roll is complete, and now it's time to slice and serve. For clean cuts, always moisten a very sharp knife with water before each slice. Carefully cut the roll into 6 to 8 even pieces using a single, smooth motion to avoid tearing the nori. Arrange your beautiful, freshly made sushi on a platter. Serve it alongside traditional accompaniments like soy sauce, a dab of spicy wasabi, and refreshing pickled ginger. Enjoy your homemade sushi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.